Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore an exciting topic that will help you improve your language skills. Whether you are a beginner or advanced learner, this video is packed with valuable information and engaging examples. So let's get started. In the previous video, we will cover parts of speech. Check out my last video on parts of speech, link in the description below. So first of all, we discussed that what is noun. Noun is a word that refers to a person, place, thing, idea, or quality. It is a fundamental part of language, allowing us to identify and communicate about objects, concepts, and individuals in the world around us. Noun like John, teacher, students, park, library, happiness, freedoms. Hope so you understand the concept of noun. Now we move forward toward kinds of noun that is today's topic. First of all, we discussed that what is proper noun. Proper noun is basically name of specific person, place, organization, or titles. Proper nouns are unique and refer to a specific entity. They are always capitalized to distinguish them from common nouns. If you are talking about a particular individual, a famous city, or the title of something, that's when we use a word proper noun. John is a proper noun because it refers to a specific person. It's not just a boy, but that boy named John. It's the exact name of an individual. So another example of proper noun is Paris. Paris is a proper noun because it refers to a specific city in France. If you just said city, that could mean any city. But Paris points to a specific location, so it's a capitalized. Here, some of the example of proper noun is, now you can see the first sentence, John is my best friend. In this sentence, John is a proper noun that is a person. I am visiting New York next month. In this sentence, New York is a city that is also a proper noun. Google is a popular search engine. In this sentence, Google is an organization that is also a proper noun. The last one is the president is giving a speech today. This example is for you. You can find out the what is proper noun in this sentence and you answer in the comment box. The next one is common noun. Common noun is a general term referred to our categories or groups. Common nouns are not specific and can refer to any member of a category. They are not specialized unless they appear at the beginning of a sentence. Think of them as an everyday noun we use when talking about general ideas or objects. Dog is a common noun because it refers to any dog, not one specific dog. When we say, I saw a dog, you could be talking about any dog, not a particular one. Another one is city. City is another common noun. It does not refer to a specific city. It's just a general term from any city in the world, whether it's a New York, Paris. Here, some of the examples of common noun is I have a dog at home. In this sentence, dog is an animal that is a common noun. The city is very crowded. In this sentence, the city is a place that is a common noun. Math is my favorite subject. In this sentence, math is a subject, also a common noun. The last one is my teacher is very kind. In this sentence, teacher is a person that is also a common noun. The next type of noun is concrete noun. Concrete noun is basically a tangible object that can be perceived through our senses. Concrete noun are everyday objects that we can see, touch, hear, taste, or smell. That can be either countable or uncountable. You can see the images like apple. Apple is a concrete noun. You can see it, touch it, or even eat it. It's a tangible object you can interact in the real world. Another one is dog. It's also a concrete noun because you can touch and see a dog. It's something physical, unlike an idea or feeling. Another kind of noun is abstract noun. Abstract noun is intangible concepts or ideas. Abstract noun are things you can't see, touch, or physically interact with. They represent ideas, feeling, qualities, or concepts. As you can see, happiness is an abstract noun. You can feel happy, but you cannot hold happiness in your hand. It's a feeling and emotional state which make it abstract. Another one is freedom. Freedom is another abstract noun. It represents the idea of being free, but it's not something you can touch or see physically. It's a concept that exists in our mind. Another one is collective noun. Collective noun is a group of peoples, animals, or things. A collective noun is a group or collection of things, animals, or people considered as one unit. Even though the collective noun refers to groups, it's treated as a single thing. As you can see, team. Team is a collective noun. It refers to a group of players, but you talk about the team. You treat the group as a single entity even though there are multiple peoples on the team. Another one is flocks. It's referred to the groups of birds. So when you say a flock of birds flew across the sky, you are talking about many birds, but you use the word flock to treat the group as one. Here, some of the example of collective noun is my family is very sportive. In this sentence, family is a group of people that is also a collective noun. Another one is the herd of animal is migrating. In this sentence, herd is a group of animal that is also a collective noun. The team is working on a new project. In this sentence, the team is also a group of people is also a collective noun. The last one is the class is learning about noun. In this sentence, the class is a group of students that is a collective noun because there are many peoples in the class that can be counted or have a plural form. Uncountable nouns are things that we can count. They can be singular like one or plural more than one. As you can see, car. Car is a countable. You can count how many cars there are. For example, I have 3 cars. Books is also a countable noun. You can say 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, and so on. You can count them individually. Here, some of the example of countable noun is I have 2 dogs. In this sentence, 2 is a countable noun. You can count how many dogs you have. Another one is there are 5 books on the shelves. In this sentence, 5 books is also a countable noun that you can count that how many books. I add 3 apples. Apples is also a food that you can count. I own 2 cars. In this sentence, 2 is also a countable noun you can count. The next one is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun cannot be counted and do not have plural form. Represent things they are physically seen as whole mass or substance, and they do not have a plural form. Like water. Water is an uncountable noun. You would say 2 waters unless you were referring to different kinds of water, like water of different countries. Generally, the water is a liquid. We treat it as a mass, just say water no matter how much we have. Another one is rice. Rice is another example. You can have 1 bowl of rice or 5 bowls of rice. But we do not say rice for multiple amounts. It stays rice because it's an uncountable substance. There are some examples of uncountable noun is I am drinking a glass of water. In this sentence, water is a liquid that you cannot count. The air is fresh and clean. In this sentence, air is a gas. You cannot count that how much air. I love listening to music. Music is an art you cannot count that is uncountable. The last one is I feel happiness when I am with my friends. In this sentence, happiness is an emotion. That is also an uncountable noun that emotions cannot be counted. The last type of noun is compound noun. Compound noun is noun that made up of two or more words to form a new noun with a specific meaning, like toothbrush. Toothbrush is a compound noun. It's a form by combining tooth and brush to create a new word that refers to a tool used for brushing teeth. Another one is basketball. Is another compound noun. It's made up of basket and ball, and it refers to a specific sport or ball used in the game. Now we quickly revise that what we learned today. Today we learn kinds of noun. Noun is the name of person, place, thing, or idea. Proper noun refer to a specific person, place, or thing. Common noun is a general names for a things, person, or places. Concrete noun that we can touch, feel, hear, and smell. Abstract noun is the idea, feeling, qualities, or concept. Collective noun is a collection or a group of animals, things, or people. Countable noun is that we can count. Uncountable noun is that we cannot count and do not have plural form. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for more contents, and also share with your friends and like the video. See you in the next video.